Hey guys, so today I went out and picked up the GoPro Hero 7 Black Edition. So this is one of the latest GoPros out on the market, and I say this is meant to be gimbal-like stabilization. So it's a lot better than the Hero 5 Grey that I've actually got. It's meant to be a Hero Black. This is the only GoPro, I do believe, that is actually a black edition. So it shoots 4K 60 frames per second, 12 megapixel camera, live streaming, and 10 meters of depth. Hyper smooth functions, HDR, the voice recording. Well, these speakers are slightly better on this one compared to all the previous models. Let's unbox it and take a look. Out the box, it just looks like any other GoPro, except, like I say, it's actually black this time, and it's got the Black 7 written on the side. In the box then we have whatever that is, some stickers and a manual. Inside the box you get GoPro charger, 2 mounts, that one and that one, battery, and that's everything. So let's take it. Take the GoPro off the mount. It does feel a bit lighter. I suppose this hasn't got the battery in yet. Not that the battery would make a lot of difference. So on the reviews it says that the microphones on this are a lot better than previous models due to different placements or something or other. So what I'll do is I will run it for a few days and then I'll be back and I'll show you some footage of how this little GoPro Hero 7 Black performs. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.